Hey, I'm nationwide ERISA disability attorney Nancy Cavey. It's May Lupus Awareness Month, and we're wearing purple. As a disability attorney, I want all of my clients and those who have lupus to be aware of what they need to prove to get the disability insurance benefits they deserve. Before you stop working, I think one of the crucial things you need to do is to get that disability insurance policy out and read it cover to cover. Why? You're looking for some crucial definitions. The first is, what's the definition of your own occupation? What is it that you have to prove to establish that you can't do the material and substantial duties of your occupation? So you want to make sure that you know what those material and substantial duties are. Now, as part of that, you got to understand the definition of occupation. Is it the occupation as you performing it for your employer in the national economy, or some book called the Dictionary of Occupational Titles? So you need to understand how your occupation is defined, because when you go to the doctor asking for support for your claim, you're going to want to be able to give the doctor a list of the material and substantial duties of your occupation and the symptoms that prevent you from doing those, so the doctor can make the connection. And lastly, you should be reviewing that policy for what's called a subjective medical condition clause. Some of these policies will say if your condition is subjectively based, you've got complaints of nauseousness, headache, fatigue, and that's your principal complaint, or your complaints are just that little, your benefits will be limited to just 2 years. And there are different versions of this subjective medical condition limitation, so you got to understand it before you stop working. And of course, there are other important policy terms such as offsets or reductions for benefits, pre-existing condition clause exclusions, all sorts of other things that you need to understand before you stop working and apply for benefits. So be aware of what's in your policy. And if you have any questions or your claim's been denied, remember you'll only have 180 days in which to file an appeal. Call today 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.